What happens for many is that traditional training methods can be inefficient and fail to engage modern learners. The insight here is that leveraging digital platforms and interactive tools can enhance training delivery and ensure consistency. Let's look at the process at a high level. We'll focus on A, selecting an appropriate e-learning platform. B, developing interactive training modules. Then C, monitoring training outcomes. Now let's look at the procedure. 1, research and select an e-learning platform that fits your RTO's needs. 2, develop engaging interactive training content aligned with the new standards. 3, roll out the digital training platform across your organization. 4, track training progress using platform analytics. 5, update content regularly based on regulatory feedback and regulatory changes. In summary, integrating technology into your compliance training enhances engagement, streamlines delivery, and ensures that every staff member is consistently up to date with the latest standards.